Hi friends, today I'm excited to introduce you to Energy Area, a unique watch-to-earn game. In this video, I'll show you how you can earn rewards by watching YouTube videos. First, download the Energy Area app from the Chrome Web Store, Play Store, or iOS. Sign up with your email, username, and password. After registration, you'll receive a confirmation code via email. Enter the code to verify your account. You'll need an access code to use the app. Please check the description or pinned comment for the access code. Without it, you won't be able to access any features of the app. Once you have the access code, enter it and you'll be taken to the home screen. Click Start Earning and then Buy My Nerd Now. Choose a box to buy. We recommend the iconic Nerd box for higher potential rewards. The price is fixed in NRG and xcad tokens, and it may vary based on market conditions. Deposit the necessary amount in BNB, NRG, or xcad. Always deposit a little extra BNB to cover transaction fees. After depositing, click Open Box and confirm the transaction. Your new iconic nerd will appear with random attributes that can influence your rewards. Now, activate your nerd after a few minutes of buying and start watching videos. Choose your preferred video category and start earning rewards. Each nerd has a limit of 5 videos per day, and after that, you'll need to repair your nerd when all the repair wheels are gone. When you start watching a video, you will get 3 notifications. First, you will get a pop-up saying, NRG video being watched. Second, NRG text will appear in the extension. Lastly, dotted lines will appear while the video is playing. Please refresh the video if you don't see even one of the notifications. You can claim your rewards daily and swap or send the tokens to your personal wallet anytime you want. Remember, rewards depend on your nerd's reputation, attribute, and market conditions. You can also refer your friends for more NRG rewards, and you can get boosted rewards by using watch parties. For more information, visit the official website and join the Telegram and Twitter communities. Stay updated with the latest news and features. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. Do your own research and consult with a professional before making any decisions. Energy Area involves risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Act responsibly. Thank you for watching. Check the full video link below for a detailed step-by-step guide.